UPA government's historic Land Acquisition Act has come into force from the first day of the new year. The law provides for just and fair compensation to farmers and also guards against any unjust or forceful acquisition. The new law provides for a compensation equivalent to 4 times the market price in rural areas and twice the market price of the land in urban areas. In case of private companies seeking to acquire land, acquisition can only happen if 80% of the local population agrees to the proposal. The acquisition will be cancelled if the project for which the land has been acquired fails to take off in 5 years. However, for national security and defence purposes, government can acquire land by giving proper compensation to the farmers. The new act also allows states to form their own laws, but in no case the compensation rates would be less than what provided by the central law. Also, the clause of consent of 80% of local population for land acquisition cannot be diluted. The new law also prohibits acquisition of multi-crop irrigated land. It further provides for a subsistence allowance of 3,000 rupees per family for a year to the landless families dependent on the land acquired. The land would be given to developers on lease and the ownership will remain with the farmers. The new law also provides for rehabilitation package for the affected farmers and families due to land acquisition. It involves providing them with new skills and housing schemes. Special provisions have been made in the Act to take care of interests of SC and ST communities. The new law takes the place of the 119-year-old law. The law was passed in the monsoon session of Parliament and the President gave his consent on December 27th. The earlier law governing land acquisition was passed in 1894 and it was silent on the question of rehabilitation. Ritu Verma's report, DD News.